Sorry. Now it's mixing. Yes, and Cambodia. And I think Burma too, but I don't remember. You see, you're close, but it's Sabaidi. Sabaidi Bimai. I don't know how to say it in Thai actually. It's like something Songkran. Something like that. They just say Sabaidi Bimai, like Happy New Year. It's literally what it means. Oh my god, I'm so messy. Why? Be my. Be my. Be is year. My is new. Still needs more time to mix, but I'm gonna put some vanilla. Of April 13, 14, 15 usually. But Diane googled it. She said it's on the 14th, but it's usually on the 13th. So I'm like confused. But literally we pulled out the shrine stuff today on the 13th. So I think it's today, 13th. Yes. Darn, chill. When is yours? As I said, it's Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, I think Burma too. Well, maybe in other countries as well. Maybe. I forgot. Milk. Milk and measuring cup. How much milk do I need? Okay. Oops. Microwaving this.